Let's talk about how captions can play a specific role in getting you more sales on Instagram. Now, obviously, there's a lot more strategy that goes into Instagram besides the caption, but writing an effective caption can definitely help increase the sales in your business. That's why in today's video, I'm sharing how to write better captions and some things you want to avoid or ditch when it comes to writing them. Hi, and welcome back. I'm Shannon, and I help small businesses and creative entrepreneurs use social media to build a community, create an impact, and grow their business. Before you even start writing your caption, you have to know who you're talking to. I say this all the time, but you have to know your target audience. This may take some time to figure it out, and you might have to ask some questions and really get to know them and what they're struggling with. But it's so important to know who you're talking to, and it makes writing the captions and creating the content so much easier. You also want to know what their goals are, and not only are their goals, what are their fears, what are their biggest struggles, what are their problems, their exact issues that you can help work out for them. The next important thing about a caption is a hook. You need to have a highly engaging hook. It needs to be attention grabbing. Back in grade school, they would teach you to write a couple sentences and then you wanted to get to the really good part of your paragraph. It's not like that anymore. We have too much content that we're reading. If you don't catch their attention quickly and tell them what they're gonna learn or what they're gonna get immediately, they're gonna scroll through. They don't care. Here are some really good examples that can get you started. The secret to, and then tell your client exactly what they want to know. Don't start your morning without. What do you start your morning with? Tell your clients, tell your audience. 3 lessons I learned from. Share your failures and then share your wins. 6 unexpected behind the scenes moments. People love behind the scenes of anything. How to instantly feel more. Add ideas for your clients to feel more confident, more productive, more relaxed. However it fits in your niche. 4 simple steps to, and then list off steps on how to something, a how-to tutorial. And that's another thing that you can share as well is how to. These are all attention-grabbing hooks. I want to know how to take that landscape photo. I want to know the 4 steps into creating a better, more authentic tasting Italian pasta. Next, you want to think about having the meat of the caption be super full, like bursting full of valuable information. And you want to make sure that the copywriting of the caption is also on point, just like all of the information that you're going to provide in your video. About 80% of people actually watch Instagram stories, videos, IGTV, lives, reels without their sound on. So you want to make sure that while you're doing your video, you're also adding subtitles, but you want to make sure you're driving those same exact points home within your caption for your video. Then you want to have a purposeful call to action at the end. Have a call to action for people to like, to follow you, to tag you, but also have calls to action that work for your business. Encourage people to download your free lead magnet. Encourage them to sign up for your email list or direct them to anything you're trying to show off on your site. Let's get into the length of the caption. The length of your caption is going to be based off the amount of information that you're providing within your video. Some people do phenomenal with long form captions, while other people do better with short form captions. It really depends on your audience and what they're used to, what they respond to, and also, like I said, what kind of information, how much information you're actually putting within the 30 seconds you have for Reels, or the 2 minutes you have on the IGTV, or the 60-second video clip. Whatever it is that you're putting up, you want to make sure you're driving those points home within the caption. For Reels specifically, sometimes the text can go by super quick because you only have a limited amount of time and space to add that text or the subtitles onto the screen. So you want to make sure you're putting that in your caption as well, because if they can't read it on the screen, they're definitely going to be looking for that information, that exact info within the caption. You want to break up your captions with spaces, and also if you have a bunch of different points, you want to use emojis to list out those points. That way, people that are skim readers can just skim through the main points. Ideally, you want your captions to be structured in a way that garner high quality engagement. You want to start really good conversations within your comments. I hope you found the concepts that I shared today super helpful. I'd love to hear from you. What is your biggest struggle when it comes to writing for any social media. And if you still feel lost, I actually created 30 captions. They're plug and play, so you can adjust them to your brand, and 30 IG story ideas along with 15 Reels ideas. And you can grab that free document in the comments below. Be sure to catch the video on your screen after, because I will be sharing all of my engagement tips for Instagram, and I will see you over there.